Welcome to Efix #1 Stop to Entertainment and Trending News. Kenyan lawyer Paul Gicheru, who was charged with alleged bribery of witnesses testifying at the International Criminal Court, is dead. Family sources as well as the police confirmed that Gicheru died on Monday night at his home in Karen, Nairobi. The cause of his death remains unclear. The police said he had late lunch and felt unwell and went to bed, but he did not wake up. Police said he was found unresponsive at about 7 p.m. His son took a collapsed and was taken to Karen Hospital in stable condition, and that is also the report that was shared by the police. The police arrived at scene later and announced a probe has been opened. The Kenyan lawyer was accused of offenses against the administration of justice by corruptly influencing witnesses of the court. He allegedly bribed witnesses to either recant their testimonies or refuse to testify in the crimes against humanity case that faced President William Ruto and former journalist Joshua Sang. Cases against the two officially terminated in April 2016 after they were found to have no case to answer. According to the prosecution, Gicheru offered bribes and other inducements in exchange for withdrawals as witnesses or recantation of their prior statements to the prosecution. In June this year, both the prosecution and defense teams made their final submissions, leaving the matter in the hands of Trial Chamber 3 of the International Criminal Court, which was yet to deliver a verdict on Gicheru's fate. In his submissions, Gicheru asked the court to dismiss the case against him, while the prosecution has called for a guilty verdict on all 8 counts that the lawyer faces. The defense maintained that Gicheru is not guilty of the charges and that the prosecution had not reached the legal threshold to have a guilty verdict against Gicheru. However, the prosecution argued that arguments by the defense had no merit and should not have a bearing on the outcome of the case, calling on the chamber to find Gicheru guilty. The chamber is expected to, within reasonable time, pronounce its decision on the conviction or acquittal of Gicheru. ICC judges ruled in 2016 that Ruto had no case to answer, noting that the case had been hampered by political interference and threats against witnesses. Investigations are continuing as to what might have led to the death of the lawyer, as they also await the postmortem results to steer them to the right direction of this investigation. I will be following this story for you guys, and in case of any update, I'll bring it right here. Make sure you have subscribed, turned on your notification bell so you're notified once new uploads are up. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.